You're in your 20s, broke, and dreaming of financial freedom. It seems impossible, right? But what if I told you even Warren Buffett started with nothing? Today, we're diving deep into the Oracle of Omaha's playbook to uncover how you can build wealth from scratch, even with a low income. Buffett often emphasizes the magic of compounding interest. It's your silent partner in wealth creation. Even small amounts saved consistently can grow exponentially over time. Let's break it down. Start early. The earlier you begin investing, the more time your money has to grow. Reinvest dividends. Let your earnings work for you by reinvesting them. Dollar cost averaging. Invest a fixed amount regularly, regardless of market conditions. Remember, it's not about how much you invest, but how long you invest. Buffett is a firm believer in ownership. It's not just about owning stocks, it's about owning your financial future. Educate yourself. Understand the basics of finance, investing, and business. Develop a long-term perspective. Avoid short-term thinking and focus on building wealth over time. Embrace risk. Calculated risks can lead to significant rewards. By taking ownership of your financial journey, you're laying the foundation for long-term success. Buffett is known for his frugal lifestyle. It's not about deprivation, but about prioritizing your financial goals. Budgeting. Create a realistic budget and stick to it. Cut unnecessary expenses. Identify areas where you can reduce spending. Save first, spend later. Automate your savings to prioritize wealth building. By living below your means, you're accelerating your path to financial independence. Buffett's investing philosophy is built on simplicity and long-term value. Invest in what you understand. Focus on businesses you know and can analyze. Look for undervalued companies. Find companies trading below their intrinsic value. Margin of safety. Invest with a margin of safety to protect your capital. Diversification. Spread your investments across different assets to manage risk. Remember, investing is a marathon, not a sprint. Patience and discipline are key. Building wealth from scratch in your 20s might seem daunting, but it's achievable. By following Warren Buffett's principles and adopting a disciplined approach, you can set yourself up for financial success. Remember, it's about starting small, staying consistent, and never giving up on your dreams. For more insights and strategies, subscribe to the Hustle Highway. Like, share, and let's build wealth together.